Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to NutriCare's very first video in English language. So in this video we are going to talk about the only introduction of NutriCare's page and NutriCare's channel. That why I from where I select the idea of making nutrition channel, from where I get the idea of making a Facebook page. So before starting today's video, that's the endorsement for you to please share this video with a maximum number of people to encourage this topic, to encourage this subject, to benefit more and more people around the world. So let's start this video. First of all, introduction of NutriCare. That why I choose NutriCare, why I choose nutrition, why I choose health as my topic, why I choose health. Because when I am studying in graduation at graduation level, I realized that there is a maximum number of people in the world, not in Pakistan and India. There's a maximum number of people in the world who are unaware about their health statistics, who are unaware about their nutritional statistics, about their diet statistics, and about overall nutritional amendment statistics. That what's to eat, how to eat, and when to eat, and what kind of food stuff we have to eat during the time of pandemics, what kind of food stuff we have to eat during the time of difficulties from our own health. So why I choose nutrition, that's all about their answers. That I choose nutrition only for the awareness of people, only for the information regarding nutrition, not only in Pakistan, not only in India, but all over the world, that where you are watching me on this screen. So the second one is, if we're talking about only the statistics about Pakistan and India, about the nutritional survey in these Asian countries, 31.5% children are underweight. That's mean that if their height is if their age is 20 years and 21 years, and their height is 6 feet and 5'10", 5'11" feet, so the maximum and ideal weight for this kind of age and for this kind of height is 80 to 75 to 80 kgs. But because of strength, because of many cases of malnutrition, because of many other strategies and many other complications, the 31.5% children in Pakistan and India are underweight. Next one is 43.71% are stunted growth, the growth that are stopped at a certain level, and there is no improvement in nutritional statistics, there is no improvement in their health statistics, in their health card, in their health chapters. 15.1% are children are wasted growth. Wasted growth means that the growth that doesn't link with any kind of nutritional. If you are going to feed your children that is suffering from wasted growth, the food, that kind of food stuff doesn't matter. This is full of nutrients, that is full of healthy stuff, that is all going into the wasted growth. So these are kind of cases are 15.1%, and 7% are iodine deficiency, mostly in Jammu and Kashmir area and Pakistan's Azad Kashmir area, and in GB. Vitamin A deficiency, mostly in pregnant women, are watching in Pakistan and India. And other is beta spots. There is a yellowish kind of spots you can easily watch among children. That is also a sign of severe lack of vitamin A. And also there is a many other cases of anemia, 26 to 27% anemia deficiency in pregnant women and in women that are feeding their children through their breast milk. So it is a very alarming statistics for not for only for Pakistan, not only for India, but almost for all over the world, where the women and men and children are not taking a better care of their health. In nutritional, in health statistics, and in nutritional knowledge, in nutritional subjects, there's a term used for mothers. Mother is a clay of gold. If you are not making your soil, if you are not processing your soil, if you are not properly landscaping your soil, if you are not properly plowing your soil, if you are not using a quality seeds, a quality water, then you don't have any kind of rights to hoping that this kind of soil gives me a better crop, this kind of soil gives me a better fruit, this kind of soil gives me a better food, because you are not properly completing their rights to be very good. So in this kind of statistics, in this kind of term, the mother is a clay of gold. If you're feeding her with a good nutritional food, good nutritional stuff, healthy stuff, and dietitial diet, then it is of course all about the mother to give you a very healthy and wealthy child regarding health. Then the other point is psychological issues regarding mothers, because in Pakistan and India there is a joint family system, which is also I think so major problem for the psychological issues in mother because of quarrels between the both families. So in this kind of cases, psychological issues plays a very crucial role in deterring the health of mother and children, and that's also reached to the certain level of divorced. And in psychological terms, and in for during I'm studying nutrition, I used to study the term old age people theory, because you know about that in ancient time, that our ancestors and our forefathers used to treat themselves with just kind of herbs and shrubs and weeds and that kind of stuff. This is all about natural remedies, and we can also use the term herbal remedies. So why they people can enjoy a very healthy life and a very long life? This all was that, and that time there is no concept of pharmacies, there is no concept of English medicines, because if we are taking English medicine, such as if we are taking a very small or minor medicine of headache, that's also we are giving that's also this medicine is giving us a very kind of side effects regarding our health and regarding our blood diseases. So in this kind of step, and if we are curing ourselves with the herbal remedies, if we are curing ourselves with the natural and pure natural stuff, if we are taking ourselves towards the natural quality without natural healthy remedial stuff, then there is no issue that our health is going to deteriorate and we may enjoy a healthy life. But it is just a compound effect. It is doesn't mean that you are going to take this kind of diet, you are going to take herbal remedies now and you will cure yourself after 1 hour. That doesn't mean that. You have to cure yourself for the betterment. You have to cure yourself in a very way, you have to make your course for a longer in months and years. The other thing is why I choose nutrition is lack of nutritional staff in Pakistan, in India, and also in many countries of the world. Because we are going to check about in hospitals, in general hospitals of governments and other systems like private hospitals, private clinics. There is I think so 0.1% staff is available, which is know about the knowledge of nutrition, which is know about the knowledge of health, who is going to know about the knowledge of diet. And there is just a concept of the main doctor that is nothing to link with nutrition, or dealing with nutrition and nutritional patients and nutritional diets, nutritional amendments. The other one is lack of nutritional info among people within Pakistan and in India and in other countries of the world, specifically in Asian countries. That is where people is illiterate, and there is no basic concepts of they don't know about basic concepts about their health and about their basic life. The last one our topic is American and European people. American and European, there is a very wrong concept among us, especially in Pakistan, that the very sides of our Pakistan is very long. But when I studied about main statistics from my international books and international websites, because when I studied nutrition, I just comes to know about that the person was at the age of 14, was at the age of 13 in America and other European countries, and the person who is at the age of 20 in Pakistan and the 14 years of age in America heights at 6.6 feet height, 6.1, 175, 176 centimeter height, and the person in Pakistan at the age of 21 years heights at the age of 5.8, 5.9. That means that the person who is at the age of 14 bags the height of 6 feet, and the person in Pakistan whose age of 20 and 21 bags the height of 5.6, 5.7, 5.8 feet. You can also check about the statistics in the websites and other nutritional books and other nutritional websites around the Google. So this is a very shocking statistics which I going to realize about that the the diet and nutritional courses, nutritional amendments, and healthy diets play a very major and important role in bringing your height at a very good level. Inheritance matters a lot in this matter, because if a parental height is very small, then it's 90 to 95% chances that the children which is upcoming in the next few months maybe back the height same to his parents. But because of changing some amendments and nutritional amendments, you can change your height to the very good level. So we can talk about this in the next upcoming videos, inshallah. So that's all about today's video, that I'm sharing with you my experience about nutrition, and my experience of studying nutrition is very interesting, and I am hoping that inshallah you will enjoy also to study, to properly know about nutrition with me, and how to live a healthy life, how to enjoy a healthy life during the time of pandemics, such as you are suffering from coronavirus. Whole world is suffering from coronavirus, and many suffering from financial issues and financial many other complications, you can say. So this is a time to know better about nutrition, to how to make your health, how to live a very healthy life, how to enjoy a healthy life. It doesn't matter that it's time of pandemic or not. It doesn't matter that this is coronavirus, it's a SARS, and it's other diseases like MERS, you can say, as other pandemics before coronavirus, that severe acute respiratory syndrome and MERS acute respiratory syndrome are the pandemics that are existing before coronavirus. So there's no need to worry, and hoping for the very best. That's all about today's video. If you want to know about better about your health, and better about your health issues, and better about your nutritional consultation and nutritional diet plan and nutritional amendment, you can message at NutriCare's official Facebook page, and you can also email at hassanchaudhry.1999@gmail.com. Inshallah, see you in the very next video. Take care of yourself and also of your loving ones. Allah Hafiz.